Oh, this is Oregon Box 1, showing you my custom-made Valve Indoor set. Yeah, it looks all custom. There's a custom spare speaker, custom indoor driver, also with my indoor scales. Then we have my indoor pilot. My pilot pilot in the indoor thing was a decal. Here's another minifig. He is the supreme of all minifigs. I created myself. He is an Endor, lead Endor pilot. And then we have Commander Ogaro. That's made by like Ghost Space Wars. I just wanted to remake him and stuff. So that's him. Endor officers. Two Endor troopers. Two Endor troopers. Two Endor troopers. And one Endor scout. Yes. And if you look, oh, there's my Star Trek. There's fire missiles. You want to see one? Okay. Another is fire, but these ones are. See this one? See, they're all good. A fire. But let's get on to the inside. It's very detailed. Two computers turned on. Two computers. Then we have a little message thing right there. Then we have the stairs up to our fire missiles. Yes. Here's the side form of the carrying things. And just to let you know, I have a new custom guy, but just my Commander Ogaro right here should have his decals on by my next video to have the Valve Indoor. So you wanna watch out. My Commander Cody is talking to pirates, so that's how I made Commander Ogaro. Captain Rex, my brand new custom, is awesome. And also, got to let you know, I made a couple more holes and stuff, and I cut them out and stuff. So I'm gonna try and show you them now. I can find them again. No, I can't find them. I found an Endor helmet. This set will also come with an extra Endor trooper helmet. Okay, so that's all for today. But also, before I go, I want to show you my brand new, my old custom Anakin Skywalker. We made a crappy custom, but at least that you can still see him. And also my Free Nova corpse snow trooper. He's like all bow damaged and stuff. Black head. But what you didn't notice is that I also have custom clean. Wizard Ernest. Yes, and also Free Nova trooper helmet. So just let you know. We also have my elite Dev. I use his help for my pilot. And what else? Oh yeah, I got 501st pilot helmet. I just barely found it. So now I take on Zeb's helmet. In there, 501st helmet. Now I'll show you the fully elite Zeb in action. So, Oregon Squad 3. We promised it would be over the weekend, but something came up and we couldn't do it because of my website and all. But don't notice that now I'm going to be busy making custom videos. So I wanted to show you a brand new custom gun I made. Let me find one of the pieces for it. A little bit of funny music on. You can't hear that. What I'm trying to find because I want you to see my well, I cannot find it, but it's a Captain Rex gun. And it's custom and everything. So, that's all for today. See you, YouTube. Bye. Oregon Rocks 1, signing out.